everyone! Welcome to our tutorial video. Today, we are going to demonstrate on how to use inquiry-based learning strategy in teaching literacy through literature.
This approach encourages students to explore, question, discover meaning from the text,
making learning more engaging and meaningful.
Inquiry-based learning or IBL is a student-centered approach where learners actively ask questions, investigate, and reflect to build their own understanding. In literature, it helps students connect with stories deeply and think critically about what they read.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
We're fine, teacher.
Okay, that's good to hear that. Today, I'll show you how to teach literacy through literature by using the inquiry-based learning and with the story of Cinderella. Do you familiar the story of Cinderella, class?
No, teacher.
Okay, that's alright. So, before we read the Cinderella book, so this is a story of Cinderella. So before we are going to read this, let's think, why do you think Cinderella stayed kind even when her stepsisters were meant to her?
Teacher.
Okay, Liza?
Maybe because she believed being kind is better than being rude.
Okay, that's a nice answer.
Inquiry-based learning starts by asking a thought-provoking to spark curiosity.
Okay, class, now as we read the book or the story of Cinderella, look for a moment where kindness changed the story. So I have a question. Who helped Cinderella go to the ball? Yes, Jonah?
The fairy godmother.
That's right. Yes. What did that teach us about helping others? Yes?
That kindness can make miracles happen.
Very good, Liza.
Students explore the text, gather ideas, and find evidence from the story.
So, okay, class. So, why do you think the friends love Cinderella? Yes, Jonah?
Because of her kindness and heart, not just her beauty.
Exactly. You used evidence from the story. Great job.
This is the explain stage. Students share what they learned, and the teacher guides them to deeper understanding.
Okay, class. Look at me and listen carefully. Can you think of time when you show kindness when someone wasn't nice to you? Yes, Liza.
I shared my snack with my classmate even he didn't share before.
That's nice. That's a real Cinderella moment.
Students connect the story to real-life experience, building empathy and comprehension.
Okay, class. Now, let's reflect. What lesson did we learn from the story of Cinderella? Yes, Alexa.
To always be kind and patient.
That's a nice answer. Yes, how about you, Juna?
That kindness brings good things in the end.
Very good. Your answers are beautiful, everyone. That's how we learn through inquiry-based learning.
In the evaluation stage, students reflect on what they learned from the story.
And that's how we teach Cinderella, using inquiry-based learning, by asking, exploring, and discovering lessons from the story. Remember, every story is a chance to think, feel, and learn.
Inquiry-based learning transforms reading into discovery process. It develops curiosity, comprehension, and critical thinking, making literature come alive for students.
That's how we teach literacy through literature by using inquiry-based learning. Be creative, encourage questioning, and let your students lead their own learning journey.